Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to slow down video in Shotcut. It's very simple, just follow my steps. First thing you will need to do is to select your clip, and when that is done, just go over here to properties and click on it. And then if you don't see it down here, just click here to properties. Now here you have speed option, as you can see. And now it says 1.000 x. So basically what you want to do to slow down a video, this has to be lower than 1. So let's say if you want to slow it down by half, you will need to do 0.5. And this is half slow down, so double the time. And now when I play it back, you can see it is choppy because I have only 30 frames. So when it is half of that, it is only 15 frames per second, which is by naked eye conceived as a choppy frame. Now when I will change the speed, so let's say I will add 0 here and here 2, so this is double the speed. Now you can see the time duration has changed to 9 seconds, and now it is basically sped up times 2, and I can speed it up times 8, let's say. As you can see, now the speed is only 2 seconds long, the clip is only 2 seconds, and it is basically fast. So this is how you slow down or speed up video in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.